So there you have it, Under Armour Sportsmask. So let's unbox this. So yesterday I bought this for myself for my Christmas gift. Let's unbox this. Okay, there's the mask. This is 1,395 pesos. So this is medium to large. So this is the mask, this is the pouch, there's the instruction how to use this. So let's try. This is ISO chill. Let's see if this fits well. Okay, there's a small wiring up there, so your nose will fit well. So it fits good. You can talk, and it's very soft, and you can breathe easily. So the ear in this below the head is okay, fits well, very soft, smooth. You can talk easily, you can breathe easily. There you go, very nice. Okay, so you have some comments. Please comment down below, so I will answer all of your questions. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.